How to fix lag and improve performance in Brawl Stars. If you want to fix lag and improve the performance of your game, whether you're on Android or whether you're on iOS, the process to do so is pretty much the same. Now, the first thing we want to make sure is that we have got plenty of storage on our device. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, just go to your phone's storage settings and make sure that you have got at least 10 to 15 gigabytes of free space. Now, if you're using a relatively older device that only had 32 gigs or 64 gigs of storage, make sure at least you have got 1 or 2 gigs of free storage left. Now, after you've done that, you also want to check if you have got any type of software update on your phone. So depending upon whether you're using Android or iPhone, make sure if there is any type of software update, and if there is, do make sure to update it to the latest version. Now, sometimes now this process is only specific to Android, that the game might generate a lot of cache files that might create those lags. So what you have to do is to clear those cache files by simply going to apps, and in the app section, simply searching for the Brawl Stars app or the game. Once done, simply go to the option called storage from the app info page and make sure to clear the cache. By the way, if you have not backed up your data, do not clear the data because that will remove all your progress in the game if you haven't synced it to an account. Last but not the least, what I can suggest you is go to your Play Store or your App Store, simply search for Brawl Stars, check if the game has any type of update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem, and if you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.